first pattern is called Rising Three Methods, which is a bullish continuation pattern formed by one medium-sized bullish candle, followed by three small bearish candles, given that the third bearish candle closes where the first bullish candle opened. The last candlestick in the pattern is formed by a medium-sized bullish candle like the first candlestick in the pattern. The name of the pattern is a little confusing because the term rising refers to the direction that the pattern implies, not the candles themselves. And the third methods refers to the three candles in the middle. It's a bit confusing because the name says rising three methods, while the three bearish candles fall. The logic of this pattern is that the three bearish candles in the middle represent a temporary break in the buying pressure exhaustion, meaning that sellers assume control until price reaches the last level where buyers displayed high intent, which is the open of the first candlestick in the pattern. The fifth candle in the pattern resumes the original intent of buyers. The rising three methods appear when price is going up in order to signal a continuation to the upside. We also have the falling three methods, which is the mirror image of the rising three methods pattern. So it's a complex bearish continuation pattern formed by two medium-sized bearish candlesticks in the extremes and three small bullish candles in the middle. The interpretation is the same as in the rising three methods, but this time the sellers temporarily hold the exhaustion of their intent and let the buyers create three small candles up until the level where sellers began showing their intent in the first place. The pattern is complete when sellers resume the exhaustion of their energy with a medium-sized bearish candle. The following three methods appear when price is going down in order to signal a continuation to the downside. The next pattern is called Bullish Mat Hold, and it's similar to the rising three methods, but this time there is a higher degree of buying pressure that doesn't allow the three bearish candlesticks in the middle to go back to the original place of intent of buyers. In other words, buyers begin to pick the market at a higher level than in the rising three methods pattern, and that implies more buying pressure. The bullish mat hold appears when price is going up in order to signal a continuation to the upside. The final continuation pattern is the bearish mat hold, which is the mirror image of the bullish mat hold. The interpretation follows the same rationale, but in the opposite direction. In other words, sellers stop the exhaustion of their selling pressure to let buyers breathe a little bit, but not enough to rise the market up until the original place of intent of sellers. This implies a strong selling pressure. Notice that in the following three methods, sellers let buyers rise more than in the bearish mat hold. The bearish mat hold appears when price is going down in order to signal a continuation to the downside. This finishes the presentation of the candlestick patterns that I find to be more relevant. If you do some research, you will find more patterns, but in my opinion, these are the ones that are more reliable, roughly speaking. I have a ton of free content on my YouTube channel. You can find some basic information and some advanced stuff as well. If you like the material I produce, please consider clicking the like button, subscribing to the channel, activating the notifications button, sharing the video, and leaving your feedback below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Take care.